Sa ating entertainment balita, sa October 3 na po ang inaabangang Miss Tourism Queen International Pageant. Magiging pambato ng ating bansa si Binibining Pilipinas Tourism 2013, Joanna Cindy Miranda. Gaganapin naman ang prestihiyosong pageant sa Jianing, China. Balitaan mo kami, Jackie Sai.
Isa na namang inaabangan na kompetisyon ang kalalahukan ni Binibining Pilipinas Tourism 2013, Joanna Cindy Miranda, sa ika-3 ng Oktubre sa Jianing, China, kung saan gaganapin ang Miss Tourism Queen International Pageant. Ayon kay Binibining Miranda, ito na ang pagkakataon upang maiuwi ang korona at titulo bilang isang Miss Tourism Queen International, hindi lang upang matupad ang kanyang pangarap, kundi ang maipakita ang kagandahan ng ating bansa.
It can really help. I can be the ambassadors of the Philippines to promote not only our beautiful places, but also Filipino. I want to be that ideal Filipina. Na other races will be, that's Filipina. Oh, I was wrong.
Dahil sa pangarap na ito ni Binibining Miranda, matinding pag-iensayo ang kanyang ginawa upang makapaganda ng mabuti at maiparating ang layunin ng organisasyon sa mga Pilipina.
You have to have the confidence and the heart to join a beauty pageant. Genuine desire to join a beauty pageant. And then the dedication, the determination, because it would take a lot of effort during training, not only physically, mentally, everything.
This contest has been around for many, many years. It contributes in its own way to shaping things in society. Philippines will be, I'm sure, one of the best candidates. So that will spread the word about Filipinas are nice, Filipinas are beautiful.
Samantala, isa rin sa inaantabayanan ang titulo ng Miss Universe na kalalahukan ng iba't ibang bansa sa buong mundo.
Binibining Pilipinas, when I started winning, everyone started to look up on me. So you're a great tool to inspire everyone. Right now, you get the power and opportunity to really voice out what you feel, and it's really a great impact, not just for myself but to everyone else.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Sai.